All right, so we're in our 1020 to 1023 weekly resource folder. Inside of our activities, we are ready for our third day of stations, getting that background info. So we're going to go into the Thursday Station 3 activity. We're going to click on this. It should force us to make a copy, and we should be staring at something like this. Now remember, the carousel should at this juncture definitely be in your drive, so you can just find it there. If you don't remember where it is, it will be in the purple folder with the Raisin in the Sun unit resources in your Schoology. So you're on station 3. You're going to click the link, get that open, because this will be the resource that you're going to use in order to answer the following questions. This one's much more straightforward than some of the others, so I feel like you should be able to do just fine with this. If you do have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or ask me. Remember, when we're identifying, we are naming that person. Summarizing is all about the main ideas, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.